Yellow cross and yellow cross correct.
Welcome to the episode 4 of how to solve the cube. We are at episode 4 and in this video I will teach you how to solve the yellow cross. Now, if you have not watched the previous video, it's in the playlist, go and watch it. In this video we will learn how to solve the yellow cross. I've already told you, in the last video we solved the middle edge. Now, in that process the white was at the top. Now we are solving the yellow cross, and now the yellow will be on the top. We will flip the whole cube. Now when you're making yellow cross, now just let me tell you this, we are not looking at the corners, we are only looking at these edges. There are in total 4 conditions that could happen. First, a single dot, nothing else. These are all different, only a single dot, or else there could be this L. These will be different, or else there could be this line. These will be different. Or if you are lucky, which I know you are, that you have clicked on this video, these all will be correct. Now let me teach you the formula. This is the formula. Quickly take a picture. I am not that guy that always say, oh, only watch my video. Take a picture, screenshot, whatever. Now you will be confused that there are 4 conditions and only one formula. Now how does it work? Just let me tell you this. When you have this, you can always hold it like this. This piece, one piece will be on your front and one will be on your right. Or when you have a line, don't hold it like this, hold like this or this. But when you have a dot, it does not matter. For example, now I have a dot. Just hold it from any place and apply the formula. Formula is this: F on the right, right up, up on the left, right down, U on the right, and F back. Did you see what happened? You can recognize? Yes. If you cannot already think, if now I take this cube or this cube and apply the formula one more time, look, line. And now if I apply it one more time, yes. Meaning if you have a dot and you have applied the formula 3 times, you will have this. 2 times, if this, you will apply the formula 2 times, you will have this. But if you have this, just apply the formula 1 time and you will have this. But now if you see this is correct, this is not correct, this is not correct, this is not correct. At the start of this series I told you that this is right when these are joined too. Now if I join the blue one, this is not correct, this is not correct, this is not correct. You have to join at least 2. Flip, nothing, do it again, nothing, do it again. Now this green and this orange is at the place. Let me tell you, yellow cross correct. There are in total 3 conditions. The one where, look, in this thing, this is correct, this is correct, this is correct, this is correct, or there could be this or this, a line. 2 conditions, this or this, or if you are lucky enough you will have a perfect one. Sadly I don't have any of those conditions on these cubes. So if you have lucky enough, you will have this, all 4 sides. Okay, but now what will we do? Same at the last thing, same formula for 2 conditions. This is the formula. Quickly take a picture or stop the video and memorize. And this is on that way. Okay, now this is the cube. What if I have this? If you have a line, you will always keep it like this, but now I have an L. Apply the formula. Now as you can see, all these sides have been corrected. Let me apply this one more time. This is not correct, meaning this, and this is correct. Bye.